do some makeup. So what is my makeup routine? Use a toner. This is a Finer Flowers toner. So now I will apply my moisturizer. So this is my moisturizer. It's Olay. Of eyebrow pencil. This is what I use. Okay, so eyeliner, yeah, so that is my next step, my eyeliner. So I'm using this body collection. Eyeliner. So now what I'm going to put is this one down here, yeah, this one, or this one, and that one. Yeah, so So now I'll just go on my lips. I use a brush to apply it. Now I'll just add up a bit of color in my cheeks. Yeah, so it looks like that I'm going to a party. My goodness, this is how I also look like when I go to party. I don't want a very glamorous makeup unless otherwise it's a very special event. So I do try glamorous makeup. I do. I have here my nose is itchy. So just a bit of color. So that's me. Hope you like it. We'll give you the reason why we and I hope you learned something. It's a very simple makeup that I've done. This is it. That's me with a bit of makeup. Thank you, Lifestyle, for joining me. I hope you don't forget to like our videos, leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know men will say that, you know, they don't apply makeup, but at least you can have an idea. Share it to your girlfriends or to your sisters or moms and see how simple a makeup can change your face. So this is it now. Thank you very much. And now please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified with new videos that are being uploaded. Thank you so much, Lifestyler. See you again. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Ciao.